Okay, we are back and we are now finished installing MySQL, the server, community server. So I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to show this in the folder because I'm going to need to extract the zip file. If you right click and click extract all, it will extract the zip file right in the download directory. So you'll get a folder, a new MySQL folder that appears in the directory. So we're almost there. Okay. So the MySQL folder is over here. You notice it doesn't have that little zipper on it. So you want to click, make sure you open up the one without the zipper. If you open up this one, you'll open up the zip file all over again. So you don't want to do that one. Okay, so this is the server. Oh, this is the community server, but I don't think this is what I wanted because I want to install. Actually, I probably wanted the. Let's go back to community server. I downloaded the wrong thing here. Because I downloaded the 64-bit. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. I should have done the MSI installer. Yeah, this is the MySQL MSI installer. So this is what I should have downloaded, which is, looks like it's a 32-bit no matter what. This is web community. This the thing downloads the whole thing, so we'll download that. All right, so I'll go ahead and download the MySQL installer, and looks like it's going to take 5 minutes, so we will stop the recording and start up once it's done.